So I wanted to make a video on what I did to remove the kidney grills. I've been wanting to wrap or expel the hood of the car, and I wanted to do it with as little cutting as possible. So by removing the emblem, the washers, and the kidney grill, I'd have a blank hood to put the wrap on. Remove the washer jets.
So this will be on that side right here, and then this washer jet will be plugged into it. So the way you get it off is this clip at the top. You're gonna have to lift it with the flathead and roll it towards you and out, and then it'll come right out.
How to take off the kidney grills.
For the kidney grills, found one forum post saying the 4 screws, their Torx 1, 2, 3, 4. So get those 4 out, and the adhesive is the hardest part. The adhesive is so difficult to take out. It's taking a lot of patience, being slow, getting one part to budge.
So in the end, I was able to remove both kidney grills with no damage done. There are going to be 4 adhesive strips as shown in the yellow. You want to start on the innermost one and start from the bottom and work it up. You're going to grab those inner corners. The hardest part is getting your fingers to fit between the grill and the hood. My fingers got sore and they still hurt the day after. So as the red arrow shows, you're going to grab the bottom inside corner, you're going to pull towards you, you're going to work that inside adhesive strip up.
I broke this part free so I can take my time and just apply pressure. I'm so afraid of having something snap. I was able to lift the top, and it's coming out pretty nicely. The adhesive is separating very quickly. There you go. There you go. There's a whole lot of dust. So I just went for it. It's a little risky. I just put my weight into the bottom, and it did snap. It went pop. I got it. Here it comes. Oh, where did that hit? Oh well, the wrap will cover it. Now let's see. This is what I want to show. This was the left kidney grill. When you're looking at the car, see where the adhesive is. They have it up here along this edge, this flat edge right here. You can see this is where the adhesive is, okay? At the top right here, all along the edge, this section, along the bottom.
So I hope that helped. If you were wanting to take off your kidney grills to wrap them, I know people on the forums, they've wrapped the blue section and the silver section separately, or if you just want to take off the things and wrap your own hood. I'd appreciate it if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll be uploading videos to this channel, whether it's getting expel done or wrapping it myself, any changes that I do, reviews on phone holders and mounts, dash cam installs. So yeah, thank you for watching.